At the point when you consider how you can profit on the off chance that you have no cash to begin a business, consider youngster care. Our reality is brimming with youngsters who need care, so there will consistently be a requirement for individuals to work with them. Be that as it may, you should like children, and be great with them, to suffer in this field. Finding the right child care situations. A few sorts of kid care work do require some beginning up cash. For instance, to deal with youngsters in your home on a continuous premise, you may need licenses, protection, and holding. There could be a few costs in making your home safe for little children and in securing play gear. You should go through some cash to promote past basic flyers and business cards. In any case, there are numerous approaches to work with youngsters that cost you nothing. There is looking after children, respected path for everybody from young people to grandmas to acquire some additional cash. I know one lady in her 60s who works 3 mornings every week for a youthful mother, thinking about 2 preschoolers in their home while the mother retreats to her office to compose. This course of action has been continuing for more than 2 years now, so the lady who does the watching for all intents and purposes some portion of the family. There are additionally employments at nursery schools, daycare focuses, and state-funded schools. These shouldn't be elusive, as they would be promoted, or you could telephone and ask. How might you secure keeping an eye on? Verbal exchange is probably the most ideal ways. Make a few inquiries. Tell individuals at any associations you are a piece of. Put an alluring notification on a notice board. You could even idea to sit once for nothing, on the off chance that you had the opportunity. A few people would exploit this and never call you again, yet you could get some great standard clients along these lines. In the event that you are happy to work whenever of the week, this could be an or more also. Think about thinking about a youngster with uncommon needs. You must like children and be good with them. To be effective with youngster care, you should appreciate investing energy with kids. You should like them, and you should likewise have a few abilities at helping them when they are furious or disturbed. You should know essential medical aid, and you ought to have the option to keep a composed mind in any crisis that could emerge. Think about these variables in choosing whether to procure cash along these lines. In such a case that this sort of work isn't some tea, neither you nor the youngsters will really profit. There are numerous different approaches to win cash. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you do like kids and need some additional salary, try kid care out. The cash isn't typically astounding, yet the prizes of working with kids can be. Robert A. Robertson wants to exhort individuals on ways that they can acquire cash. He finds that the vast majority have a greater number of chances accessible to them than they understand. He deals with an assortment of site ventures. One of his present ones is a business-to-business one about utilizing paper-destroying organizations. Click the link in the description for more information.